What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. So today I will be teaching you how to download Minecraft for free. So first of all, you need to go down Minecraft download free PE. After that, you need to press search, and as you can see here, you need money to get it, but there's an easy solution. So you need to scroll down, and as you can see, there's a Minecraft and softonic.com, not sponsored. So press the Minecraft APK for download, press download, and wait, download. After that, you need to press download the APK. Say continue. It doesn't harm the device, so yeah. Now you need to press those three buttons, press downloads, and there you go. As you can see, I downloaded it. So first I'm gonna delete that, and let's wait for this one. Alright, so here it is. After that, you need to press it, and it says here do not require to installation this application. It does not require any special access, so press this thing, the install button. Here you go, installing Minecraft, and wait, and I will show you that this actually works. So yeah, it's taking a while, but yeah. Come on. We ain't waiting all day, dude. Now, app installed. It says here, app installed, and press open, and yeah, there you go, free Minecraft. And let me teach you that it actually works. Minecraft home screen, pretty classy. There you go. Press X on that thing and play. Create new world, and whatever. It's a blank thing. Oh my gosh. There you go. Really, don't kill dolphin, you monster. Minecraft. And there's a pig. Here we are. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy your free Minecraft with no if you don't have money. Yeah, money. This is a free Minecraft, and this is actually Minecraft, so don't you worry don't you dare worry that this is a virus, because it isn't. And yeah, peace out, guys, and see you next time.